How to verify Apple Pay on Navy Federal app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can verify Apple Pay on Navy Federal app. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to add your Navy Federal card to your Apple Pay. So for that you need a supported iPhone or iPad. Now in order to add your card, first of all you have to open up the wallet in your iPhone. After that, tap on the plus button to add a new card. Then follow some instructions to add your Navy Federal debit or credit card, and then Apple Pay will prompt you to verify the card. Or if your Navy Federal card is already in iTunes, just key in the security code, the CVV code from the back of your card. So once you have added your card, now you have to choose the verification method. During the setup process, you will be prompted to verify your card. You can typically choose from various options such as the Navy Federal app, text message, email, or phone call. So from there, you have to select the Navy Federal application if you are using it. Now, to verify using your Navy Federal application, you have to log in into Navy Federal app on your device. After that, look for a notification or message in the app requesting the verification. Then, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now, once verified, your card will be ready for use in Apple Pay, and you should see a confirmation message in Wallet application. But if you don't see the option to verify via or through the Navy Federal application, or if you face any issues, then ensure that your Federal or Navy Federal application is up to date to its latest version. And if not, you can always contact to their customer support for assistance, and they will help you verify your card manually. So in this way, you can verify your Navy Federal application or verify your Apple Pay on Navy Federal application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.